Hello everyone, welcome to this episode on Jaleke Tech. So in this video, I'll be teaching you how to download and install Affinity app on your PC. So looking at the website link in the tab, you search that particular link in your web browser, being it Google Chrome or what have you. So this is the Affinity Studio. So you can see from the top right corner, Get Affinity. So that is what you click on. You click on Get Affinity. So from there, you'd have to sign up to be able to download this app from the website. So you click on sign up to download. Sign up to download. That is what you click on. So when you are done clicking on that, you'd have to sign up with your Gmail account. So this is my Gmail. I'll just have to press continue and then it automatically signs me up. So from here you can see that we have the app for MacBook, and then we have the app for Windows. So this is the Windows and then the other for MacBook. So on this device we are using currently, this is a Windows device. So we'll be downloading for Windows. So when you click on it, you choose the second from the drop down menu. So you install that. So you can see, okay, so download unverified file. So you just have to go ahead and then download. So from the download section, you realize that it is downloading. It is about 600 megabytes. So I've already downloaded it, so I don't have to download this again. That is why I'm terminating the process. So from the download, you just have to open the file you downloaded and then you go ahead with the installation. So you double click on it and then you run the installation on your device. Now on this device, I've already installed Affinity, so I will not have to go through the installation process again. It's a simple process. You just have to read and then you choose the right commands and then you go ahead with the installation. So from my PC, you can see that this is the Affinity app which has been installed already. So all you have to do is just double click on this and then you run the app. Now this is how the app looks like when you run it. So Affinity is by Canva. It was developed by Canva, and it is here to make the work of graphic designers very simple. So this is how it looks like upon launching. So you can see A3, A4, all the sheets, and then you can choose whatever sheet you would want to work with. So the interface of this software is more or less like the Photoshop and what have you. So it has some features which are the same as Photoshop. So we have the vector, we have the pixel, we have the layout, and then the Canva AI. So that is it. So this is how to download it and install. Make sure you follow this step. When you're facing any challenge, make sure you drop a comment and I'll reach to you at the right time and then I'll take you through how to install it properly. Thank you so much for stopping by to watch this video. Make sure you subscribe, like, and share to any friend that will need this video. Thank you so much once again and catch you up in my next upload.